Location is the most crucial element to be considered, because location plays an important role in terms of accessibility, population, availability of surrounding buildings, market condition as well as state and local incentives. Pasir Gudang is an industrial town located in Mukamplanton, Johor Bahru district. The main industries are transportation and logistics, shipbuilding, petrochemicals and other heavy industries, and oil palm storage and distribution, which is located in Johor Port and Tanjung Langsat. The proposed site is located at Lot 121534, Taman Cendana, Mukamplanton. The proposed site has a total area of 2.498 hectare or equivalent to 6.173 acre, and it is under administration of Pasir Gudang Municipal Council, MPPG. The soil condition on site is silty and non-cohesive. The site is covered by almost 100% of shrubs and tall grass. The site is accessible to the existing road, which is Jalan Cendana 13. Existing drainages are present at the front and side of the proposed site. The surrounding environment of the site within 15 km is commercial, residential, industrial as well as public facilities and completed with transportation system. Residential development that surrounded our proposed site are Taman Bukit Dahlia, Taman Kodamasai, Taman Sintax. There are several commercial developments that have been identified, such as shop lots, which comprises of banks, convenience store, clinic and market. 7-Eleven, Speed Mart, Misli, Eco Shop, Econ Safe, Fast Food Restaurant. Drainage system is operated as to transfer the drain water from our proposed project. It also to avoid drain water clog which can cause flooding during rainy day. TNB transmission line is located near to the proposed site, where the electrical supply for proposed site can be easily obtained. The big capacity of water supply had successfully accommodated current water demand in this area, through a systematic water supply linkage, completed with necessary pipe work, water meter and large water storage tank. Sewerage treatment plant is near to the proposed site with only 200 meter. Telecommunication tower is strategically located from the proposed site. There is existing public transportation, such as bus and the bus station are 4 kilometers from the proposed site. The proposed site near to Pasir Gudang Highway and Sinaidisaru Highway, and complete with well-maintained road surface, street lights and signage. UTC Pasir Gudang. Petrol stations. Masjid Taman Cendana, Sekolah Agama Taman Cendana, SK Taman Cendana, SMK Pasir Gudang 2, and Polytechnic. Public halls. Futsal court. Dahlia Lake. Kite Museum. Air quality in Malaysia is measured by the Air Pollution Index and report daily air quality. Air pollution index in Pasir Gudang shown moderate with API of 53. The proposed site development is located near to the residential area, and about 5 kilometers from the industrial area. Only common noise is produced from the traffic. Dumpster area is provided to collect wastage from the public. Based on the data obtained from Department of Statistics Malaysia population in 2019 is estimated at 32.6 million people, and estimated at 3.75 million in Johor. The population density in Malaysia is 99 per square kilometer, or 255 people per square miles. The population of Pasir Gudang district estimated in 2019 is 145,739 people. The median income in Johor was 5,652 ringgit Malaysia in 2016, meanwhile the overall Malaysian median income was recorded at 5,228 ringgit Malaysia. The proposed site is located at Taman, Cendana, where the site is surrounded a variety of business activities that could bring convenience to the residents. The type of business in the area comprises of services, such as car services, barber shop, department stores like Misli, Eco Shop, as well as clinics and a broad choice of restaurants. Nero ceramic, biopanel and block, sun mixed concrete, Sunjing building materials, Maple Gateway, Lafarge cement, gating hardware supplier, Malaysian sheet glass. Pantech Group Holdings, J Corp Green Energy, Superlift Machinery, Chia Hardware Amp, Machinery Trading, Perfect Heavy Machinery, Gunfat Forklift Machinery. Johor Land, Scientex Park, Lake Hill Resort Development, TG Longsat Development, Seri Alam Properties. Sri Model Enterprise, Emission Construction AMP, Design, JSP Project AMP, Building Plan Consultancy. Nippon Kaiji Kantai, Shutter Malaysia, CKP Nizarudin. Based on Department of Statistics, in 2019, Malaysia's economy grew 3.6% in the fourth quarter. The economic growth in Johor recorded 5.6% in 2018, which had contributed to the GDP of Malaysia with a percentage of 9.6%. The highest share of business activity in Johor, 2016, is services, with 47.1%, followed by manufacturing, agriculture, and construction. Overall, for Malaysia GDP in 2016, Johor has contributed 8.2% in services sector, 12.6% in manufacturing sector, 15.7% agriculture sector, 14.2% in construction sector. Based on land use summary provided by the local plan MPPG, most of the lands in MPPG are used for agricultural purpose. However, MPPG does not plan to allocate more land for agricultural purpose in the future. It appears that MPPG plans to make industry activities as the main economic resources. There are 2,855.41 hectares of land used for residential purpose. MPPG proposed to allocate 2,207.79 hectares of land for residential purpose in the future. According to MPPG, most of the lands in Bandar Pasir Gudang are used for residential purpose. MPPG plan to allocate 30.27 hectares of land for residential purpose, and 28.20 hectares of land for business activities in the future. MPPG can be divided into 9 zones. Our proposed site is situated in Bandar Pasir Gudang. According to local plan, Bandar Pasir Gudang is further divided into 6 zones, which are Pusat Bandar Pasir Gudang 1, Pusat Bandar Pasir Gudang 2, Taman Mawar, Taman Air Biru, Taman Bukit Delya, and Taman Cendana. Our proposed site is located in Taman Cendana. Most of lands in MPPG are used for agricultural purpose, because agricultural land contributes 28.70% of the land use. Industrial land has the second highest land use percentage, which is 16.64%. In addition, 14.08% of lands are used for residential purpose. Most of the lands in Bandar Pasir Gudang are used for residential purpose and business activities. 26.46% of lands in Bandar Pasir Gudang are used for residential purpose, whereas 20.93% of lands in Bandar Pasir Gudang are used for business activities. Moreover, 25.38% of lands in Bandar Pasir Gudang are used for transportation purpose. Taman Cendana consists of many residential and commercial development. Some of the lands are used to build mosque and schools. We propose to build low-rise residential building at the proposed site. However, according to the local plan, the proposed site is planned to be used to build secondary school. Our proposed development is not matched with the local plan, so that application of land conversion must be carried out, to convert the type of land use into building land use. Based on all location and site analysis of the proposed site, the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats have been identified. According to the population projection of Department of Statistics Malaysia, the population in Johor will increase steadily from 3,926,500 people in year 2020 to 4,758,000 people in year 2040. The increase in population will cause the demand for residential building to rise in the future. Therefore, the demand for our proposed development will rise in the future. Apart from that, according to Department of Statistics Malaysia, it is found out that most of the residents in Johor are lying between B40 group and M40 group because their median household incomes are 5,652 ringgit Malaysia, which lies between 3,000 ringgit Malaysia and 6,275 ringgit Malaysia. Therefore, our proposed residential building should be affordable for them. Moreover, the proposed site is located near Pasir Gudang industrial area. The residents in Taman Cendana can easily reach Pasir Gudang industrial area by bus or cars. Thus, this will attract those who work or plan to work in Pasir Gudang industrial area to buy our proposed building. In conclusion, our target market is B40 group and M40 group who work or plan to work in Pasir Gudang industrial area.